welcome to my channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome. Shkezki Kitutsi. I was trying to pick up something from my car and I hit my lips against it. So I'm trying to improve lighting as much as I can. It's a new week, new us. So I'm trying to improve light as much as I can. But the sound, the other fire behind me. But anyway, I'm trying to improve light as much as I can. I'm happy. I think we'll get there with light. I need probably like a bigger ring light, but I want to get a light. I thought it was lighting enough when I saw it. Guys, it's not. Right now I have two lights in front of me. I think the bigger LED light without the phone holder does a better job. This ring light, give me 0. I think I was just doing it for angles, so that I can move around properly and correctly. I lost my small handstand that I got the other day, so I had to replace it. And then me replacing it, I just thought, let me get something that I can adjust to my size, or to my height rather. So I have a surprise for you, my people. Show you guys or share you with you. Hey, blah, 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 blah. I've been in. Hey, calm down, my demon. Anyways, I've been meaning to share with you guys where I got some of the stuff. But the LED light that I'm using, the box that I've been holding, I got at some shop in Main Mall. It's not really a Chinese shop, but it sells like these nice aesthetic items for the house, what. So one of the things that I got from there, and I've been meaning to show you guys and share with you guys, are these box books. Oof. These box books, these ones. People sell them for quite a price, on social media, but I managed to get these. I got these from the shop, Main Mall. It's right after Chicken Licken, the old Chicken Licken, but unfortunately now it's closed. But this thing is so painful. But yeah, unfortunately now it's closed. The shop is next to, I think it's a Ranjo, I'm not sure, but yes, it sells really nice stuff. I got them for 30 bucks each, so I got these for 60 pula. I saw one page selling each for 120, so I said, clearly half the price. You know what I'm saying? Please go get these for yourselves, cause yeah. And then oopsie. Ta-da! I mean, if you do have my WhatsApp number. Oh, and my TikTok also, you saw me advertising these tote bags. And finally they have it out. I hope my thing is not showing. My thing is okay, no, it's not showing. It's showing, but this side is not. So I got them finally, and then we're gonna unbox them together. Please do hit me up if you want one. I'm gonna put my email up, and you can hit me up on my socials. They're there in my description boxes, you know what I'm saying, my profile description box. Yeah, my YouTube, you can just click on the link and then message me, and then I'll reply. But I'm gonna unbox these. I think I want to unbox these first with my TikTok family first, and then I'll show you guys. But I think I hope. But yeah. think I'm happy. Get happy. Why did I do that? But I'm happy. Okay, let's see the beds. I'm super okay. I'm super duper duper eepy excited. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So oops. Guys, I just think this thing is so hard. I'm really trying to make sure that it's up to my heart and that y'all can see me. Okay, great. Oh, gray is so beautiful. So this is, I'm just gonna, but it's not fair. I'm gonna, I mean, the damage is already done. So here's an example of one. I think there's only one. I don't understand why. Okay. I don't understand why. How come this thing is shifting? Hey, button. Oh, gray is so beautiful. Guys, it comes with this. Gray is so beautiful. I think I thought pink was pretty. But gray, honey. But gray. Okay, I'm gonna, let me just show you the colors. I don't want to open them because but here we are. This is cute as well, you know. Can be used for work. Let me show you. Let me just show you. It's so cute. You can put everything in it, you know. Everything can go in here, and I think I'm happy with the quality of this thing. I'm in love. Anyways, you guys just saw the Lacoste specs. And this phone is not even being straight. Anyways, I was saying, there are only 7 bags available, you know, right now, currently. There's pink, there's nude, there's black. Black is limited. There's also this color. But I think I'm in love with gray, guys. It's the only gray that's available. I was just testing out the gray color, but so far I'm happy. So I'm gonna unbox these and then take content so that I can post it on my TikTok and my Instagram as well, you know. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I don't know what we're doing tomorrow, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. Today's the 20th of April and we're traveling. I haven't been to Kunti in a very long time. And the first time I went there, I was attending a wedding. And now I'm going to visit. I'm really, really excited. So I want to take you guys with so we can go experience the village life together. So let's go. I'm very excited. We're very late. I'm waiting for my uncle to come and pick me up. And then we're leaving. And then one other thing. I think... Okay. It's alright. So... I just finished packing up, so we're gonna go. You balance. Hey. Say that you will change the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you wear Good morning. My face is screaming tired. I haven't bathed, I just woke up. We're going to the kettle post. So good morning. Day 2 of being in the village. Day 2. Yesterday I couldn't finish off because I got here and I was very tired, very exhausted, and meeting people. I didn't have time for my phone. So I'll see you guys during the course of the day. Let's go to the kettle post. So I'm gonna brush my teeth, and then rinse my face, some sunscreen. Because there's definitely no I'm gonna bath just to go see goats. I'm not gonna do that. So, and I hope we're not coming back in the afternoon or late in the afternoon or in the evening because I think I should bath because it might not favor me anyhow. So I'll see you guys. We're heading to the kettle post. So I'll see you guys on our way. Bye. Nazo. We're finally leaving. We're finally going. Apparently it's very far. I've never been there. Apparently it's very far. And I need to apply some sunscreen because already I'm burning. It's really hot. Suddenly it's hot. And then after I bathed and it got really hot. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Not me. We're not me. I want to go to my coat.
Bodoko le bokhete.
Pila. Ha tswa go
A tswa go reka yone a re o tswa go ira o simolola go nna ira outfit of the day a se ke mmona ira la ile lewa
It's lunchtime. We're about to make lunch and I'm snacking on some corn. So we're gonna make sebete and pap. Trust me, I'm tired. But what do I have to lose? Come on. Why did I almost slice my finger? I don't know what the hell. What the hell? This is limipi. This is fat. So we're going to we're going to use it to make sebete. Ne? We're gonna use it to cook liver with. We're having goat liver and pap. So I'm preparing the fat, the cooking oil, unrefined cooking oil. Healthy and stuff. Yeah. So I'm gonna fry this. I'm gonna fry this and then it's gonna turn into oil and then I'm going to use it to make some liver. You know. Rira cooking with my tea. Cooking with my tea. Jokes. Jokes. Jokes.
Okay, mate. What is it? One at my CM has talk.